guys, my name is Radha and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make our first video after the compilations, and that is the Ben 10 Ascalon Sword. See this, guys. And I customized it with this Ben 10 logos that moves. But before starting the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my latest uploads. And follow me on Instagram. So let's start the video! For making the Ascalon Sword, we need to make a template. The templates are provided in the description below. They are completely free. And so, when we get the templates, we are going to draw it on cardboard. I'm using carbon, so I don't have to cut the paper and draw it. You can even cut the paper and draw it. I drew it like this, and we need 2 pieces for the handle. And now we will cut it. I made 2 handle pieces so that it will be strong and the cardboard won't break easily, as you can see, guys. And we'll remove the center part of these both handles. And after we removed it, we are going to take the sword piece and fold it on the sharp edges. We'll sharpen the edges like this, so that it will look more cartoonistic and look like a sword, as you can see, guys. After doing this, we need to stick EVA foam on top of the sword. You can even use paper or you can paint it. I'm going to stick it with glue so that it will stick properly. Using hot glue gun can make it crumbly and it won't stick properly. We need to do the same for the other side. And after we stuck it, it should look like this. And then we are going to stick these handles onto the sword. And now we are going to stick EVA foam onto the handles. We need to cut it like this. The side of the sword doesn't look that clean, so you need to plane it with this EVA foam. We'll stick it like this, EVA foam strip. After it sticks, it will look like this. It would be a fine shape. And now we're going to paint the handle with dark gray color. After the handle is painted, we are going to paint the sword. It's going to be a more lighter shade of gray than the handle. After its color, the sword should look like this. And now we are going to make the Omnitrix part. As we make in all Omnitrix video, we are going to make this matrix go like this, using black thick paper and color it. And then we'll fold it and stick it as shown. After it's stick, we are going to make the Omnitrix logo, as we make in all the Omnitrix videos. And we are going to stick it on the matrix scope. And make sure to stick the matrix code in the center of the Ben 10 logo. And now it should fit like this onto the sword. Now we are going to make this part so that it will be more finishing and look more cool. We're going to take this thick paper strip and roll it like this and stick it. After it sticks, it should look like this. And now we need to make this part so that it will stick on top. And now we'll color these both parts in a light gray color. After it's colored, we are going to stick this onto the matrix code and the Benton logo. And it should look like this. And now we are going to make another one like this to put it on the other side. It should look like this. And to add more details on the handle, we are going to cut a thin EVA foam strip like this, colored in light gray color, and we'll wrap it around the handle like this. And we're going to do it same with on the end of the handle. As you can see guys, I have this strip of EVA foam colored in light gray color, and then we'll stick it like this. And then we're going to take thin strips of EVA foam colored in light gray color and stick it on handle like this. As you can see guys, and now we need a more thin piece of black EVA foam strip, and we'll stick it onto the handle like this. And done guys, we have done with the Ascalon Sword. This video is short and I hope you loved the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.